There is a river passing under this area. Yeah, so from here, Githurai is not far away from this place where I am today, where I am now. Just a few minutes. With the vehicle, I think it's 3 minutes. While you're walking, I think you can take up to 30 minutes. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing fine whenever you are. So today is just a strolling, having a walk along this Thika Road Highway. Yeah, evening walk. You can do that at any time that you feel. I thought of why can't I do a video since I have my camera on me, and I just thought of another thing that I have on me, and it's a gift. This gift really means so much to me. This tripod, as you can see, this tripod it really means so much to me. And first of all, because before I even say or give out the details of how it is and who gave it to me, I want to say that I appreciate having this tripod, because I believe and I know I'll be able to give out good and stabilized videos or contents to you guys. Since I'll try my best, because yeah, I'm just excited. As I'm shooting this video, I still haven't used any video to create any video officially, but I know I have done some 2-3 videos, but not on this channel. But since I have it, believe you me, I will be able to give out good content. So I'm just having a strolling or a networking along Thika Road and seeing very beautiful how the Thika Road Superhighway is, and the lighting of vehicles along this road. So I've been indoors all this day. Today, the 11th of September, I've been indoors, just being busy, doing just doing my things. And I thought of, since I am free at this time, I should have just a stroll and try to show you the night view of Thika Road Superhighway. And I hope you are going to enjoy. Yes. So this is it. I believe. Yeah, so really enjoy this before I tell you how I got this beautiful garden. So this is Thika Road at night, only at around 8 p.m. The vehicles are, the drivers are busy, the road is busy. Yes, you can just witness for yourself, you know. So this is all the way from the CBD to Githurai, Juja, Thika Road. Yes, I can also show you this. Those are matatus, Githurai matatus, or buses that ferry people from the town to their destinations. Club Truth. If you know this place, put your comment on the comment section. Yeah. The other purpose of just me doing this video is to gain some confidence, because content creation really needs people to be confident. No matter where you are, whether you are in a group of people, in public, at night, in the morning, any time where you need confidence, so that you can articulate your English or vernacular correctly and confidently. Yes, because you also have to give your audience the best. Yes, they say, or we say, camera is the best eye. Yeah? Your eye is the first. There is a river passing under this area. Yeah, so from here, Githurai is not far away from this place where I am today, where I am now. Just a few minutes. With the vehicle, I think it's 3 minutes. While you're walking, I think you can take up to 30 minutes just walking. Yeah. And there is a guy working, I think you can see. That guy is working there. I think also at night or time like this, you should be careful, because anything can happen. Whenever you are, anywhere you are, you should be careful with the people around you. Even you should be careful even with yourself, because no one is safe and no place is safe. If things is to happen, doesn't matter whenever you are. So I'm also careful, and I'm taking very precautions. Yeah.